Hi, my name's Harry, and this Friday we're going to be celebrating our 11th anniversary at the W Hotel in Scottsdale, Arizona. This year, we're going to be raising money for the hurricane victims in Florida. I've been watching this Hurricane Irma and its devastation down there, and they're going to need a lot of help. So, come to the party on Friday at the W Hotel, reach down deep in your pockets and bring a couple extra bucks so we can donate to the victims. If you can't make it to the event, go online and donate. It's well worth it. Look forward to seeing you there.